Today the day that we're gonna be getting the stock exhaust changed off the bike. We're gonna be going with the M4 setup, and we're getting it done by proven power. I'll just let y'all hear the sound of the bike one last time before we get it switched. Cold crank. Full system. All this gonna be going. The pipe underneath. Give y'all a couple of revs for a second. Yeah, so let y'all hear what it sounds like when we get it done. Up there, I don't even know what it is. It's antique though. It look nice, sound real good too. Man, they got all types of stuff here, man. If y'all ain't never heard of it, man, Proven Power, man, in Temple. This the place to be, man. You got cars, get your cars, man. Get it tuned up, modded up, man. They gonna get you right. They got the stock headers off already, and the exhaust. So this is stock pipe, what it look like for the 2016 Gsxr. That's what it look like, y'all. Oh, man. Gotta get them things off and replaced. Yeah, we took them off. Say bye to that. Man, that looks so much better. It looks so much better. Man. There you go. Man,
Fuck all that talking, we pull up with marks. Say it's pressure, they gon' load up new Glocks. My niggas still trapping and working the block. That shit ain't never gon' stop. Open the Sunday, tell them come and shop. Got my first check and I quit my first job. Caught the QP, then I serve out the alt. We really serve out the alt. We ran it up, we ain't nothing like y'all. Now we on top, used to be underdogs. Roll it back with and the stick is a law. I remember hoes ain't give me a call. Now when I pull up, they give me them draws. Take out them racks and give them to my dogs. I put this shit on the gang and stand tall. This shit ain't on me, it's similar, dog. This shit ain't on me, it's me. I got a me. That bitch so 50, ayy. I remember that bitch ain't feed me. Now she come feed me, that shit so silly, ayy.
You ready?
Yeah.
Good. Two more. Like 2 more red crackers. Let's go. 1, 2. Alright. Thank y'all, man.